What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. I got an unboxing video for you guys today. It is the Jordan 4 UNC. I was so happy when I hit. I recorded a vlog video when I picked up, so I'm gonna put that down in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. I talk about how I got all these pairs and how I built up my points with the Flex app, the FLX app. Okay, let's get into it. So first, I want to do with smallest to the biggest, and the funny thing is, like, now I would have wished I would have put in for like the toddler pair, because if I got the toddler pair, I'd have the whole kit right here, and that would have been cool to show you guys. So next run, I'm gonna try to go for the whole thing. That way I could show you guys. I don't know if anybody else is doing it. Usually they just have the adult pair. Me, I try to get the GS and adult so I could compare both of them and show you guys both of them. But in this case, I got the PS, the GS, and the adult. PS stands for preschool. Toddler is TD, but I do not have the toddler. Okay, so let's get into the PS, the preschool. And here you guys have it right here. If you guys are trying to look at the SKU and all that good stuff, it is size 11C. And when I saw these things, I was like, man, these are so cool. They're like little miniatures, right? Like, look at these things, you guys. They look so cool. You guys, what do you guys think? Would you let your kids rock these? I definitely would let my kids rock these. These are so sick. Like, we're going to do quality control on the big size and everything, which is absolutely perfect. But I just gotta say, even on the small pairs, like I like the suede. It looks nice. It's not as nice as the adult pair, but the suede still is nice. Like, look at that pair right there, you guys. Cannot beat it. So it does come, I was gonna say it does come with a second pair. Obviously it comes with the whole pair right here, but no extra laces or anything. And like, the miniature is just so crazy. If I would have had the toddler pair, that would have been real tiny right there. Okay, so let's get these out the way. And I wanted to point out, it is an all black box, okay? All black box. Then we move up to the GS, and the GS does have a different box. We have the Jumpman right here in red, and then we have that concrete stamp all across the bottom, like so. And let me show you guys. So I got a size 5.5, and you could kind of see, like, the box is kind of like bowed out right here and right here. Oh, I guess more here, but that's not a big deal. I could still sell it on GOAT or StockX. So there it is, 5.5. We're gonna open this puppy up and take a look at it. I was kind of like, when this opened up, like, I was like, I like the black tissue paper, and I didn't even expect it because the adult size doesn't have the black tissue paper. So the last pair, I want to say it was the Jordan 12, those I think it's black and either charcoal gray and black. I think it's both those colors. Anyways, they had this black paper. I thought it was cool, and I was like, kind of cool that it was in here also. Okay, you guys, so this is the pair right here. So this, I want to say it's like almost exactly like the adult pair, but it's just like miniature size. I'm sure, you know, the price point is a little bit cheaper, and that's because of the material. It's not as much material, but you guys, the material is very good quality. I checked out this pair, and I mean, I like it. It's so nice. It has everything the adult pair has. It even has this oversized tag right here that not a lot of people like. So I was looking at it, and I'm like, I'm okay with it. Like, I like this. I could rock it like this. And I did get a personal size 11, but I did choose to sell it versus keeping it. I'm probably I don't know if I'm gonna, you know, regret that decision, but I do come up on pairs, so maybe I might get another pair, and then I'm gonna keep that one. Who knows? Do not know yet. But I did want to point out the Air Jordan on the tongue is backwards, so you have to flip it around to see the Air Jordan. I thought that was pretty cool. It's a nice little touch right there. But like I said, this pair is exactly like the adult pair. It's just a miniature size, where you could tell the preschool one is not up to par with the, you know, with the GS one. There, you guys can see them right there. It is definitely like lower quality, not as good as the GS pair. So let's take the big boy out. I'm gonna leave those out, that way we could actually see all of them. But let's check out the big boy right here. And you guys, this box is so sick. It's nice and shiny. When I picked it up, you just see this box and it's like, ah! You got the sun rays beaming on it and everything. Like, that is how nice, like, it looked. It was crazy, you guys, crazy. So Retail is $200 on this pair right here, size 11 like I said. I also got a size 10.5 in case you guys are wondering, but you got to go check that video out. I talk about how I pick up multiple pairs, how I built up my flex points, all that good stuff. That video is going to be down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it, you guys. Okay, so you do have that concrete print that goes with the tissue, and then you have this bad boy right here, you guys. This is the quality control. I'm telling you guys, like, this is like, in my opinion, this is the nicest. I say it's the nicest sneaker that come out this year. If I gotta say, I don't know if the trophy rooms come out this year or last year. It kind of blended in. I'm not sure if they come out this year or last year. But those are up there. But these, I gotta say, like, they are top, especially on my list this year. This is it right here. I like these better than the Jordan 1 UNCs, believe it or not. And I do have 5 pairs of those. You guys gotta go and watch my videos if you're trying to cop multiple pairs. If you're trying to cop one pair, and not only one pair, but multiple pairs, you guys gotta go check out my videos. So you guys, what do you guys think? This is this side over here. Okay, we do have the oversized tag that a lot of people don't like. I believe there's videos where they're cutting them off and all that good stuff. I wouldn't cut it off. I just rock it just like that, but I'm not gonna know because I already sold my pair. So you guys, the 2 adult pairs that I have, it cleared 150 on Go, and that's after fees, after tax, and all that good stuff. Some people don't want to hear it because, you know, they don't like resellers, but I'm true to you guys. Like, you guys, it's going to be all transparent with me. If I tell you I'm selling them, I'm going to sell them. I seriously was thinking about keeping these though, but like, the resale is just so good that I had to. I think if the resale was a little bit lower, and I'd think about it some more. But normally I list the pair before I even get it. But this time I was like, you know what? I'm not going to list it. Let me get it. Let me check it out. And I had to list it. So you guys, you do have I'm looking at the mesh right now, and you could feel it. It's like that. It's not hard plastic, but it is like that grip. It feels like that grip, that plastic grip. Okay, and I mean, man, what else could I say about this? Like, I really like this. If you guys are contemplating getting this because of the quality, like, the quality is good, the color is good, like, everything is good. So if you're watching this video thinking that, you know, I'm also going to talk bad about the shoe, or you're kind of contemplating it, I'm telling you guys, this is the shoe to go for. This is the shoe to get. Now let's compare all 3 real quick so you guys can see it. Maybe I'll take my thumbnail picture like this. It'll kind of look cool. But this is the 3 right here. Oh, that does look cool. Let's see. Let me pose for the thumbnail right there. So this is what they look like, all 3 of them. And you guys tell me what you think. Tell me if this is a cop for you. Tell me if you guys got this shoe. If you guys copped on the Flex app. If you guys copped on the Sneakers app. I unfortunately did not cop on the Sneakers today. So I was kind of bummed out about that. But you guys, I picked up multiple pairs. I did have one more pair. And I live in San Diego, California. I did reserve one more pair. It was a GS pair. Oh, by the way, I made 100 clean off of my GS pair. Okay, so the GS pair is in Riverside, so I'm in San Diego. It's at least an hour-and-a-half drive, and then I went after, I started picking up after work, so at that time there's traffic, so it might have been a little bit more than an hour-and-a-half. So you got to think, like, at minimum it would have been a 3-hour drive, and it is $100 profit, so I was kind of like, I didn't know what to do or not, and I was like, is it worth, you know, $100 going? Some of you guys might be like, yeah, it was worth it, but I just said, no, not today. Like, if this drop was on a Saturday, I would have definitely drove out there and picked them up. The thing is, I also put in for an adult pair, and I didn't get the adult pair. If I got the adult and the grade school, it would have been a no-brainer. I would have drove straight out there, picked both of them up at the same time, and called it a day. But that's a little bit about my story today. You guys like this video. If you liked it, any comments, questions down below. Consider subscribing if you like sneaker content. I will check you guys out in the next video.